We all have some kind of sensitive files or folders on our computer, and we really do not want others to access it. Or there can be other reasons, such as to avoid accidental deletion. In this video, I'll be sharing 2 easy methods that will help you hide your files and folders easily. So let's get started. For the first method, we'll be using the command prompt. Firstly, copy the path or address of the file or folder that you want to hide. For example, I have a test document on my desktop. So I'll open the original location and copy its path from here. Now open command prompt and type in cd space, paste the path that you just copied and hit enter. This will change the directory that will help us find the file or folder. Once you're in the directory, type in the following command. Don't forget to mention the file type. Press enter and the file or folder will now be hidden. If you want to unhide them, type in the same command and instead of plus, change it with minus, keeping the rest same. Finally, let's take a look at one of the simplest methods. When you right click on a file or a folder, select Properties. Under General tab and Attribute section, check the hidden box and ensure Read Only is unchecked. Click on Apply and it will hide the file or folder from view. To unhide, just uncheck it. Easy, right? It's important to note that hiding a file or folder does not provide strong security and can still be accessed by someone who knows where to look or undo any of the methods shown here. If you want to protect your sensitive files, I strongly recommend that you use more advanced security measures such as encryption or password protection software. WinRAR or 7-zip can be great options for this purpose. Alright then, thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, do press the like button. Take care and have a great day.